How to create a new desktop in PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create a new desktop where you can work differently on your PC or laptop. So first thing what you need to do is just if you are using Windows 10 or 11, you can simply come over to this task view right under your task manager or task bar. So this is your taskbar and you can see that there is an option called task view. So just tap on this. So once you tap on this option, you can see it will be showing you all of the different files which you have previously opened or recently opened. So now what we need to do is just come over to this option at the top where you can see you can create multiple desktop windows or tab which we used to create on Android, like multiple widgets. So you can basically work on different desktop from over there, and you can simply open any one of the apps which you want on the different desktop just like that. So as you can see, as I opened this OBS Studio inside my desktop 2, it will not be available on the desktop 1, as you can see, just like this. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.